Are you looking for the NEQUARE S26 stick cordless vacuum? We have review in the video. So let's start. Features: 280 watts energy efficient brushless motor, 26 kPa powerful suction capacity, battery powered with 40 minutes runtime, LED and multiple brushes for cleaning. The unique feature of the NEQUARE S26 cordless vacuum is that the sound level is pretty low at 55 decibels, so you get a quieter cleaning experience compared to other cleaners. There are different gears equipped in the cleaner which can be selected by you according to your cleaning requirements. It comes with a unique touchscreen control that allows you to choose the gear on which the cleaner will operate. Perhaps the best feature of this cleaner that makes it stand out from the other cleaners is its ability to stand independently. The 90 degrees support makes it capable of standing on its own. It also has a 180 degrees movable brush head indicated by LED lights that makes it easier for you to clean every corner of your home as smoothly as possible. There are extra tools available with the cleaner for the perfect cleaning of the house. The precision cleaner mouth can be attached to the vacuum for cleaning the various corners and crevices in your living room. There is also a brush for dusting purposes on delicate surfaces. The dust bag has a volume of 1.2 L, which allows you to clean more areas for a single use. Also, the most disturbing thing about other vacuum cleaners is the emptying of the dust. The NEQUARE Cordless Vacuum has a simple push-button system that allows you to empty the dust bag without touching it. As mentioned earlier, this vacuum cleaner comes equipped with 9 gears that can be adjusted for controlling the powerful suction. The touch-controlled pad can help choose the suction power of your choice from the range of 26 kPa. In addition to that, the sponge filter in the cleaner is removable, and you can wash it with soap if you want to. The 7-cell, 2200 mAh lithium battery is both removable and rechargeable. This gives you the freedom to charge the battery separately from the cleaner. The battery can be fully charged in 3.5 to 4 hours. The battery's separate charging allows you the convenience of keeping the battery disconnected when the cleaner is not in use. Pros: the filters are washable. Pet hairs are picked up easily. Big enough dust bag. Easy emptying and cleaning. Cons: some battery issues. Suction is not powerful enough.